Have you ever wondered if you could become a millionaire in just 1 year? Imagine a life where financial freedom, influence, and genuine impact are not distant dreams but achievable realities. Picture waking up every day empowered to rewrite your financial story. This isn't about luck or magic. It's about making a bold decision to change your mindset and take control of your future. Every great fortune began with a simple spark of belief and a willingness to act. Are you ready to ignite that spark and transform your destiny? Step into a world where every moment is a chance to build a legacy. In this video, you will uncover a detailed 1-year roadmap designed to shift your mindset and unlock financial freedom. Every insight shared is rooted in practical steps that you can begin applying today. You will learn how to break free from the limiting beliefs that have held you back and replace them with powerful, actionable strategies. Imagine a plan that transforms everyday habits into a foundation for lasting wealth. This journey is about more than just making money. It's about cultivating a millionaire mindset, diversifying your income, and investing wisely in your future. The blueprint ahead is carefully structured and proven by those who have rewritten their own financial destinies. Stay with us as we explore each essential element that empowers self-made millionaires to thrive. Get ready to transform your financial reality and take control of your future. Too many people believe that wealth is a privilege reserved only for a chosen few. This mindset is rooted in a lifetime of conditioning where success seems distant and unattainable. From an early age, many of us are taught to value financial security over taking risks, leading to a fear of stepping outside our comfort zones. We cling to the idea that a steady paycheck is our only reliable source of income, dismissing the potential of investments and entrepreneurship. This belief traps us in a cycle of self-doubt and mediocrity where every opportunity for growth is overshadowed by the fear of failure. The internal battle between a desire for more and the anxiety of taking action is a common struggle. These limiting beliefs create invisible barriers that stop us from making bold financial decisions. When we avoid investments or innovative ventures simply because of our fears, we miss out on chances to build lasting wealth. The truth is, the only real obstacle is the mindset that tells us we are incapable of achieving greatness. Recognizing and confronting these mental blocks is the critical first step on the journey to financial freedom. It's time to challenge the belief that wealth is unattainable and open up to a world of possibility and ambition. Every powerful transformation begins with a shift in how we view the world and ourselves. The first step is to redefine your inner dialogue. Instead of telling yourself that success is reserved for others, you start to believe that every decision you make can lead to incredible growth. This change isn't about flipping a switch overnight. It's about consistent, daily practices that reshape your perspective. When you start affirming your ability to succeed, every challenge becomes an opportunity rather than an obstacle. Imagine setting aside a few minutes each day to focus on affirmations and visualizations that reinforce your vision of a prosperous future. This mental reset lays the foundation for every subsequent decision you make. Next comes the practical side of wealth creation. It's one thing to cultivate a winning mindset. It's another to translate that mindset into actions that build wealth. Begin by breaking your larger financial goals into manageable tasks. Set clear, specific targets, like dedicating time to learn about investments or budgeting, and hold yourself accountable by tracking progress daily. When you map out these steps, you start to see that building wealth isn't an overwhelming task, but rather a series of small, consistent actions that add up over time. One of the most effective strategies is to develop multiple streams of income. Relying solely on a regular paycheck can limit your potential. Instead, consider side ventures, freelancing, or exploring investments in stocks. real estate, or even emerging opportunities like cryptocurrency. Each income source offers a unique advantage. For instance, a side hustle not only supplements your primary income, but also diversifies your financial base, reducing reliance on any single stream. Learning the basics of investing is crucial too. Take time to understand how different assets work and the risks associated with each. Start small. Invest modest amounts in areas that interest you while continuing to educate yourself on market trends and strategies. Gradually, as your knowledge and confidence grow, so does your portfolio. In today's fast-paced world, acquiring high-income skills can also accelerate your journey. Whether it's digital marketing, coding, or design, these skills not only open up new revenue avenues, but also enhance your marketability. Investing in yourself by learning and refining these skills can lead to significant financial returns over time. Consider this period as an ongoing workshop where every mistake is a lesson and every success a stepping stone. Risk tolerance plays a key role in navigating investments in entrepreneurial ventures. Understanding your own comfort level with risk can prevent you from making impulsive decisions during market fluctuations. For example, a diversified portfolio that includes both stable bonds and higher risk stocks can help you balance potential returns with financial security. This approach isn't about avoiding risk entirely, it's about managing it intelligently. Review historical trends, learn from seasoned investors, and adapt their strategies to suit your personal financial landscape. Your journey is personal, and while learning from others is important, tailoring these insights to your own situation makes all the difference. Think of this process like constructing a building. You start with a solid foundation, your mindset, and then carefully add layers, each one reinforcing the next. Every investment you make, every new skill you learn adds another brick to the structure of your future. Sometimes you'll face setbacks, unexpected market downturns, failed ventures, or moments of self-doubt. But each setback carries a hidden lesson. Rather than viewing these as failures, see them as feedback that guides you to adjust your approach. Over time, you'll notice patterns emerging in your habits, and these insights allow you to fine-tune your strategies for even greater success. It's also essential to build a network of like-minded individuals. Surround yourself with people who challenge your thinking, inspire you to aim higher, and share their own experiences of overcoming adversity. This network not only offers support during challenging times, but also serves as a reservoir of ideas and strategies. Conversations with mentors and peers can spark innovative solutions that you might not have considered on your own. As you put these pieces together, every action you take becomes a deliberate step toward the life you envision. From disciplined budgeting and strategic investments to continuous learning and network building, every element interlocks to create a robust plan for achieving financial freedom. Remember that the journey is just as important as the destination. Celebrate small victories along the way, a successful investment, mastering a new skill, or even simply overcoming a fear. These moments build momentum, reinforcing your belief that you can achieve extraordinary things. By integrating these practices into your daily routine, you create a sustainable framework for growth and success. Your journey to financial freedom is a mosaic of many deliberate choices, each contributing to the bigger picture of a prosperous future. Embrace each step with enthusiasm, knowing that every effort compounds over time, leading you closer to a reality where wealth, influence, and freedom are within your grasp. At that pivotal moment, everything clicks into place. You suddenly see that every challenge you faced was a necessary step toward your ultimate goal. The obstacles that once seemed insurmountable transform into clear markers of progress. It's as if the fog lifts and you realize that each setback was simply a lesson in disguise. In this instant of clarity, the path ahead becomes unmistakable. You recognize that success is built on small, consistent actions taken every day, every sacrifice, every risk, and every effort converges into a single powerful insight. You are in control of your destiny. This aha moment fuels a renewed determination and a belief that nothing can stop you now. With this newfound clarity, you are ready to embrace the challenges ahead and transform them into opportunities. This is the turning point where your vision for financial freedom becomes an undeniable reality. Every moment of this journey has prepared you for this new beginning. Now is the time to take action and let your dreams steer your destiny. Embrace the lessons, celebrate every small victory, and keep pushing forward with unwavering determination. Remember, the blueprint of financial freedom is in your hands. Transform your mindset, execute your plan, and build the life you've envisioned. If you're ready to continue this journey, hit subscribe and join our community of go-getters. Watch our next video for more strategies and start shaping your future today.